Hello, my friends. My name is Cheryl Spangler. In today's video, I'm going to walk through 2024 speaking topics. Anyone can learn something and then teach you, but can someone learn something, take action on it, and then show you the metrics on how it worked for them? Topic that I am even more passionate about, if you can believe it, and something that I figured out how to do when Okay, let's just get right to it. It is creating your own Amazon Prime Video channel. Yes, you, my friend, individual, business, team, company, can create your own Amazon Prime Video channel. So, what does this mean? It means in the world of podcasting, in the world of YouTube, in Facebook and LinkedIn, like think of all the social media avenues that you can basically post content. There is always a possibility that you will be canceled. I thought about this in 2018 when I was going live on Facebook every single day for at least 1 year straight. Okay. I had this show called The Cheryl Show, and it was actually not something making money. It was something I did because I wanted to communicate with people and enhance social connectedness. It was right before we basically were told to social distance. And I thought, I have got to find a medium to post my content where I own it. I get paid when people watch it, and I can't get canceled. Now, they may tell me I can't post certain videos or whatever. And so I started looking around at like other options for reaching millions and billions of people in the United States and Canada and outside, and ways that I could expand the reach. So if you're wanting to create, entertain, educate, or inspire people in any way through video, this is not selling something. This is not a promo. Okay. This is a way for you to build an entire Amazon Prime channel. And I'm going to show you mine in just 2 seconds. That anyone who pays for Amazon Prime, which I'm sure you're aware right now, I think it's like $129 a year to get free shipping through Amazon Prime, priority shipping. Anyone who pays for the Amazon Prime ability gets access to a bunch of free content on Amazon. Those who do not pay for Amazon Prime Video then have to pay like $1.99 per episode. But if your content is valuable and you want to reach a bunch of people and you want to reach millions more, I would say, even than just being on YouTube and potentially having their advertising algorithms limit who can see your video, then this is the video for you. If you're someone who wants to entertain and maybe you never thought that, maybe you thought this wasn't even possible because you're just this one person, and you must need some kind of production company or some kind of, you got to know the right people. No, you can create this. You sitting at home right now doing your own home videos, but please make it at least entertaining enough. Otherwise, people will give you thumbs down, and basically, eventually, you'll probably just be taken down if your content is not providing any value. If you are not entertaining people, if you are not educating people or inspiring people or teaching, then your content will most likely be thumbed down and taken down. But I was struggling with getting content in the hands of the number of people that I wanted to hear it, that I wanted to hear what I had to say, because either podcasters with the audience that I wanted weren't willing to get me on as a co-host, or YouTubers, I wasn't popular enough at the time to where they would want me on as a co-host. And so my frustration I started looking around, and I was like, hold on a second. I'm going to eliminate all methods of media that can cancel me if they don't like me, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And I'm going to go create my own channel on Amazon Prime. Is that even possible? So I started doing research and I figured out how to do it. Now, it took me, I'm not kidding, 6 months, because there are so many prerequisites, stipulations. The content has to be perfectly formatted. The graphics have to be perfectly formatted. I probably uploaded somewhere between 200 to 300 videos, and out of that, 23 were accepted. So I can tell you exactly what you need to do to get accepted. But let's just do a quick screen share and I'll show you where it's at right now. So basically what you have the ability to do is create a video, record a video, and then this has to be in landscape mode like you're watching this video right now, and then and upload it to Amazon Prime, and then it gets approved, and anyone in the world basically can go to Amazon and watch this video on their TV or whatever. And every single episode may or may not cost them money, depending on if they're an Amazon Prime Video member. And also, you get paid. And so you get paid 60 days after they watch it. So the first 60 to 90 days, you're setting up, you're recording, you're uploading. And then you're basically receiving, once a month, you receive money dropped into your account. So let's go ahead and do, let's see, let's do a screen share. So this is Amazon.com. You just basically, just like if you're looking for a movie, a book, or whatever, you basically could just type in my name. But I named this show Enhancing Social Connectedness. It is going to stay the name of the show that I keep. But what you could do is you can upload individual videos. So when I scroll down, what this is an individual video that I recorded with an up and coming singer. This is another one-time video. The one-time video, I did a whole week of opioid crisis videos. One time. Okay. This was an interview with Al Corby, which is the #1 safety security expert in the world. But after I did all these one-time videos, I was like, okay, well, I want to create a show with a bunch of episodes in it. And so let me just go back up here a minute. And so I created this. And when you create the show, it's called an episodic show, multiple episodes. And inside the episodic show versus the one-time upload, you have to basically complete all of the episodes of videos, and then you publish the show. So sometimes when you see shows, so this was a very random thing. I did not expect this to take hold like it did. I frankly actually planned on deleting these videos because they were experimental. Even though I uploaded 200 to 300 videos in order to get just these, I don't know, how many do I have here? In order to get these 25 uploaded, I was planning on deleting them, but what I realized is once you upload to Amazon Prime Video, you cannot delete. You can only make unwatchable, you cannot delete. So you have to be careful, like you want whatever you put up there, it's going to be up there for a long time. And these were basically live streams that I did with people. I went live every day at 12:30 on a different topic. I mean, I'm not kidding. This one was literally me stopping in front of a UPS store and taking everything out of my trunk of my car, and then it's called junk in your trunk. And so they were kind of goofy, but it was my way of enhancing social connectedness, meaning connecting with people on different levels, different types of people watched every day. And it was just something that I really enjoyed doing. And it's when I really found my niche in like live streaming and doing content like that. Recorded, edited videos is cool and everything, but I really like that live stuff where basically you go live, you interact with people on the spot, and then when you're done, it's like boom, end, and no editing. So I uploaded all of these videos, all these videos together, and at one time published this show. So you have to complete all the episodes that you want done, and then you publish a show. And you can create as many shows as you want with as many episodes inside the show as you want. So it's endless and independent and autonomous from all other social medias. You can create a, any video or show or entertainment channel that you want on Amazon. You do not have to be a producer. When you go through to upload these videos, you have to name yourself as a producer. But I decided to teach a class, allow someone every single thing that is needed every step of the way to create their own Amazon Prime channel. If you're thinking that you want to affect the world, inspire, entertain, or educate. And so recently in 2023, Amazon Prime Video actually has added some categories. So when you go to upload a video, you basically have to assign it a category, like a genre. But a category, like what are the 3 top categories? Is it nonfiction? Is it fiction? Whatever. And now I noticed that they have added some nonfiction categories on I would say classes, trainings, and how to, instead of having to fit into what would typically be just entertainment type categories. So this is revolutionary for your life and your business, and a mission that you might have personally or as a group to do something, educate, inspire, or entertain for people. And that is this class. It really needs about, in all honesty, about 3, I'd say 2 to 3 hours to do this, but I could squeeze it into a 60-minute class. And I plan to show people how to do this so that they can go create their own Amazon Prime channel. And if you see this video and you're thinking, wow, I didn't even know I could do that, then bring me to your group, company, or organization, and I will show you how this can be done very simply. And again, however long it took me, I will show you how you can get your Amazon Prime channel probably approved within 14 days, not 7 days for this one, because there is a little bit of lag in Amazon actually approving the videos. And sometimes they come back and there's like rejection, and then you got to figure out why. But hopefully I will eliminate all that for you through all the 300 to 400 videos I uploaded that didn't get approved. And I love this idea, because if you are struggling with cancel culture or trying to find some kind of medium where you can put your content out there and really get people to hear and understand and learn, and you provide big value, this is the method. This is the medium. And so I encourage you to go to cherylspangler.com/speak and ask me to come show you how to get this done inside your group.